how to fix an iPhone that won't turn on, charge, and just has a black screen. In this video, I'm going to show you several different steps that hopefully fix an issue where your iPhone screen is black and you can't turn it on and it's not reacting to a charger. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So we'll start off with some basic steps. The first thing I recommend doing is finding the power button. It's over here on the right side. And I just recommend holding that down for around 10 seconds. Sometimes if there's a glitch going on with the phone, holding it down for the normal 2 to 3 seconds to turn it on isn't enough. You need to hold it down a little bit longer, so try around 10 seconds. Now, if that didn't work, it could be that the phone is so low on battery that it is unable to turn on. So what I recommend doing is plugging a charger into the phone and leaving it charging for around 10 to 20 minutes. You may want to try a different charger that the cable actually plugs into because it could be an issue where that actual charger is no longer working. Additionally, look in the port here. Make sure there's no lint in here or any dirt or anything that's stopping the actual connector from charging your iPhone. So just give it some time to charge and hopefully that fixes your issue. Now the last step is going to be perform a hard reset of the iPhone. And don't worry, this does not affect the files. We just need to first find the volume buttons. So press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then hold down the power button for around 20 seconds. Keep holding it down even if you see the Apple icon. Just hold down the phone power button for 20 seconds. This can help if maybe there was a software issue preventing the screen from actually turning on. So as we hold it down, we may see that Apple icon show up. Just go ahead and let go after 20 seconds and the iPhone should turn on. So as you can see, it just turned on there. And now I can go into it, start unlocking it to use it. And I have now fixed an iPhone that won't turn on, charge, and just has a black screen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.